this function, and they give us h of x in terms of f of x and g of x, and they give us a table with various values of f and g, and various values of f prime and g prime. Now we want to find h prime of 0. So the way we're going to do this is we are going to turn this thing on. There we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to have now h prime of x, and basically we differentiate this function using the quotient rule, so that the derivative of 6 times f of x is 6 times f prime of x times the bottom function, and the bottom function is g of x minus 1 minus the derivative of the bottom function, which is just g prime of x. If you take the derivative, right, the derivative of g of x is just g prime of x, the derivative of 1 is 0, times the top function is 6 in the front output times f of x over the entire bottom function squared. So g of x minus 1 squared. And this gives you an expression for h prime of x in terms of f prime, g prime, and f. So now we're asked for h prime of 0, and you plug in 0 for x, so f prime of 0, g of 0 minus 1 minus 6 times g prime of 0 times f of 0 over the g of 0 minus 1 squared. And now you use the table. So now I have that f prime of x when x is 0 is going to be a half, and then a half times 6 is 3, times g of 0, just g of 0, is negative 2, minus 1 is negative 3, minus 6 times g prime of 0 is 6 times 3 over 2, because g prime of 0 is 3 over 2, times f of 0 is 4, over g of 0 is negative 2, minus 1 is negative 3, the whole thing is squared. I'm going to get here negative 9 minus 9 over 9 times 2 is 18, 9, 18, 9, and then I'm going to get negative 27 over 9, which is negative 3. Let's make sure I did this correct, just to make sure. This is going to be 2, 6, oh, you see 6, so I messed up somewhere, I believe 6 times 6 is 36. Right, shouldn't this be 36? And then negative 9 minus 36 is negative 45 over 9 is going to be negative 5. And I believe that is the correct answer. You can check my work, just do the arithmetic slowly, but this is a general idea. Use quotient rule on this, and then you plug in 0, and then you use the table to fill in those values.